Get it close to you. I can't believe that's
Oh my god. It's so close to you. Are you gonna adopt it now? It's my baby. Kelly, look at Mom.
Hey. Dude, I do not like how close it is.
It's a bad idea.
Jake, you're turning its ass towards you.
I know, that's why I'm trying to get it over here. Oh, it smells so bad.
So I was sitting out by the fire and I could have sworn I heard a kitten meowing in the woods, just mewing. And so I go in the woods and what do I find? The cutest little kitten. Look at this.
They don't look so scary. Oh my god, I'm
And then I find the little brothers and sisters.
But one was stuck.
They're so sweet.
Are you posting this on YouTube?
I will.
I'm recording, don't bother me.
They're adorable and
think they were
I want to
meowing.
keep them forever, but I know I can't. Get that car away
Can you
from
at least
Oliver,
keep-
please.
Can you at least keep one?
My husband will not let me keep them.
Throw it.
But this one looks like my deceased kitten, Pepper.
Who got
This one got hit,
away?
Pepper got hit by a car. And this one looks just like Pepper. And I want to keep her forever. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
It's okay, it's okay.
Dude.
Look at her little eyes. Oh my gosh.
She's so cute. She's sweet. I've got her in the pocket of my sweater here.
Can he
She's so
pet one?
sweet.
Can Oliver pet one?
Oh, look at it. You got the peanuts in it. Here we go.
Oh, look at it. Look at her go.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh my god. They're so sweet. Give this one milk. Okay. You just holding this one? You're not
I
gonna
know. I'm
Can we just
bogarting
name-
this one
can we
because
just
I love
name
it
this
so
one
much.
Pepper right now. We're just gonna name him Pepper. Or
Let
her.
go of my sweater, baby.
Girly.
This one doesn't want to let go.
Baby. You hungry? Ah. Nails. Nails. In my booty
Your
hole.
butt.
Hi, baby.
Your butt.
Oh my god. I feel like one of them might be blind.
No, they're not blind. Oh,
What's she
Oh.
doing? Wait, do I hear Mom meowing?
it's okay. It's all right. She knows it's there. She knows it's there. Don't drown them.
What? They're all three just drinking out of it.
They get really greedy too. So one of them's gonna probably.
Fight.
One of them's probably the runt.
Yo, can we name him Pepper?
Oh,
Him or her Pepper?
Look at, she's licking the other one.
Can we name him Pepper?
Oh.
Hunter, calm down. You calm down.
You don't post.
Okay.
Why not? She's posting it on YouTube.
She can post it on YouTube. It's fine. Snapchat is not. These things are so cute.
The little sounds they're making. They think it's Mama.
I was gonna get a little bottle, but I'm like, we don't have a right bottle for that.
You're taking over the whole thing, baby.
I'm gonna get another one.
Oh,
I'll
look,
place-
they're kissing.
Want me to place
Look
one
at
up?
they're kissing each
You
other.
want me to place one up here? Want me to place one right here?
No,
I'll get more.
no, it's okay. No, please don't get more milk. That's a lot of milk. This one's just in the way. Here,
Like, I'll
back
grab
up.
another cup and I'll pour some in it and I'll put one cup kitty up there.
Can I pet them or they really get mad?
They might start growling.
Oh,
Th-
those
no,
are-
they're doing a good job. They're doing a good job.
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, look at that face. Look at that face.
Watch out for the mosquitoes. Don't let the mosquitoes get them.
I tell.
Because you know mosquitoes can carry
I
diseases.
tell. Hi, guys.
Oh my god.
They're so cute.
I don't think they've eaten in a while.
It looks like their mom abandoned
I don't
them.
think they've eaten in a while.
Put some milk in here.
They're actually doing a really good job, Gracie. I would let them be.
I'm gonna put one right
I
here.
know, but they're doing a good job. I would let them be. Let them be. Let them be. They're doing good. They're doing good.
They're so cute.
The gray one's just a little confused. He's trying to lick his friends. It's okay, Gracie. Gracie, let him be. Let
Kelly,
him be.
let me take a little
No,
bit.
just let them be. They're doing a good job. Look at, she's finding it. See, look. But Oliver, you need to stop.
Stop
Oliver,
it!
please stop.
He's so cruel. Brandon, we're not here, but they're gonna argue.
I don't think they've eaten in a long time.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Record all.
Do you love
Oh my gosh, they're so
So far today we found a baby skunk and we found a baby.
Found a baby skunk.
Oh yeah, I didn't show you. I didn't show you the video. We found a baby skunk in the basement. I had to call animal control and they came and took it away. Yeah.
So they actually did something about it.
Yeah. But he was blind. The baby skunk was blind and he couldn't see anything, so he was following only the sounds.
Mommy,
What, honey?
that's oh my gosh, they're so
Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
1, 2, 3.
That's right. There's 3.
Yeah,
Good job.
3 cats. That's 3, and that's 6, and that's 4.
favorite food?
1, 2, 3.
I don't know. They
One,
right now they
two,
like milk and then they
four.
like tuna.
1, 2,
Pepper's
3.
done.
Wait,
You want done?
1,
Her pepper?
4.
Yeah.
Wait, 4. 1, 2.
Okay, guys, there's some cats in our thing, and my mom's recording, so you will see them. Okay, bye, peace out. I mean, sorry, like, one of the YouTubers keep doing that. He keeps making me think of doing it. Bye. Okay, guys, I just found some more. There's 5.
Mommy told you not to record.
5 kittens. Okay. Stop. I think she already found one. I think there's like 7 now. Okay, bye. Peace out. Okay, guys, we're gonna keep the kittens. We put them in the small shed, and the reason we did that, our grandpa and our dad doesn't want cats. Okay, and so we put them in the shed, and you already know this, the ice cream that has the white inside and the orange cream. Peace out. Okay, sorry. I love ice cream so much.
You good?
Nails, alright? Are they still in here? Oh, they're still in there.
Oh my gosh! Hi, babies.
Hold on, I want to take a picture.
They're sucking on each other's ears. Oh, little babies. Oh. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Look, they're like soaking in
They're
milk.
all sucking
Look how
on each
much
other.
milk they drank.
I think they soaked each other in milk and now they're sucking
They
it
just
off each
sucking
other.
it, dude. Okay, you're gonna make them both blind.
I'm filming.
Okay, that's enough. Alright. Okay, guys, so we'll catch you guys back up in the morning. We're gonna leave these kittens here tonight in a warm, cozy place, lock them up. They've got warm milk. There are 5 of them, 2 things of warm milk, and we'll see them in the morning and we'll figure out what we're gonna have to do with them. So stay tuned. Bye.
All right, we're gonna check on the kittens. It's the next morning. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? They're like swarming for the milk. They're going crazy. Don't drown each other. Don't drown each other, little guys. Oh my goodness. Take it easy over there. Hey. 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 Slow down. Slow down. Back up. Oh my goodness, you got your face buried right in there. Look at you go. Hey, slow down, little fella. Aww. You guys miss your mama. You need more milk. Give me this. Come on, you guys are all covered in milk. Give me this. Get out of here. Right here. There you go. All to yourself. You guys are covered in milk. Lick it off each other. You guys can lick it off each other, okay? Yeah. They're purring. Oh. Oh my goodness, look at you. You look like Smeagol. I know. I know. Look at you. You need a bath. You all need a bath.
Stand. Like their little legs are bad.
We're feeding them one by one now.
Oh, look at this one. So hungry.
Because we just gave them all a bath.
You got this, you go.
They were covered in milk, so I brought them inside and I gave them a bath. And they all started suckling on each other, so I decided they're probably still hungry. So I decided to warm up some milk, and I'm letting them eat one by one to make sure that they all get some nutrition.
Imagine we kept all 5. Look at this one, big spider cat.
Oh, I didn't mean to put the light on you, I'm sorry.
I heard a deep voice.
So look what we found. We found some more little baby skunks. And they're coming to my place. Here they come. They're so cute. Hi. They follow the sound, Gracie. They hear my sounds. They're coming to me. Oh, oh, you got your tail up in the air. Got your tail up in the air. It was under the deck. Little babies, look at how big they are compared to my hand.
I wouldn't do that.
See?
They smell pretty bad.
I don't smell them.
They're so tiny.
I know. They're so cute.
Oh my god!
He's not gonna spray. He's not gonna spray. They're so cute.
Kelly, if it sprays you, can I laugh?
No? Are you guys lost? Do you know what you're doing out here?
Grumpy. He's like,
You might don't me. Oh.
Grumpy likes skunks, but not kittens.
Oh.
can't get a cat, but if it sprays you, man, I'm gonna.
It almost bite me. No. No.
What if they spray each other in the butt? Like, where would it go?
Come on.
Like, up their butt?
Come on, see me. Come on.
I don't want no cats. Gonna throw some cats away.
You're so tiny.
Aww. He's like, Ollie, be nice.
He's trying to bite me.
No, he's not. He's nowhere near you.
Watch me.
Come on. Come on, see me. Come on.
Are they looking for food?
No, where's the mom?
I wonder where Mom is.
I told her why don't you pick them up, put them in the shack.
Shut up. They're not cats, alright?
I know they are.
Why are you liking better than cats? They smell worse. Cats stink. We can't have them. But you want a skunk? You want a skunk?
They smell so good.
They smell so good, Ollie says. Ollie, we don't
Hey,
spit. Oliver,
get
no
away.
spitting.
Oliver, get away from me. Have you ever been this close to an animal in the wild? Or are?
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Scratch his head.
Get not so close.
Scratch his head like this. Go. Nice little kitty. Nice little kitty.
Alright, I'm gonna touch it, but like,
These ones are walking a lot better than the other one.
Yeah.
what was the other one, like, falling?
Yeah, the other one
kinda
wasn't.
hurt.
Yeah, he was hurting.
He's out.
Yeah, I mean, not gonna hurt you. He's a little tiny baby. Here. Oh, you're looking at
Oliver, don't.
Point that bite at me.
Grumpy. You know he's gonna squirt you, don't ya?
What do you think, Owen? Isn't he cute?
Don't get too close.
Daddy's gonna say don't play with the baby skunk because it might spray you, Daddy.
Are you gonna crawl?
He's too little. He's not spraying.
Stop.
No, right? Too little. We can touch a skunk, play with a skunk, but 5 baby kittens. Ah! A baby skunk is worse than like 5 kids.
Oh no, he's leaving. No,
He's trying to find his way home. Let him go.
Bye.
Let him go. Let's follow him. Let's see where he goes.
Stop it, Grumpy.
Ollie.
Seriously loses his way.
You just scared him. He followed the noise. I don't think he knows where to go. He's gonna get lost again. Dude.
You're going the wrong way, bud.
He's going to find
I have the guts to pick him up. I don't either now. Huh? Was that a bug on?
Pick him up, honey.
Do you
Put him
like
over
it?
here.
Okay. Hunter, don't touch it. Can I pick him up and bring him over there?
Put him over by this corner where the hole is. So you go back to his brother.
I'm picking him up.
Hunter, do not
Is
pick
it
him
okay?
Back, Gracie.
Is
that okay?
I'm moving this way.
Can I pick him up?
Yes, just grab him, pick him up by the back.
Will you spray me?
No, he's not grabbed by the
Can I
back.
grab him?
Oliver.
Can I, Kelly, can I pick him up?
Grumpy, you do it.
Like a kitten. Grab
Grumpy,
him right here,
Grumpy,
by the
you
back.
do it. I'm asking Kelly. Kelly, can I pick him up?
You can go ahead. I mean,
Daddy, there's this baby skunk right here.
Hunter,
Be quiet.
Hunter,
Hunter, listen to Grumpy.
What?
grab him back in the neck, just like you do a cat.
Okay.
And pick him up. Hey, never mind, he's heading down.
Wait, yeah, just let him be. He's heading back. He's smelling his way.
Do you think he's blind?
Everybody stand back. No, he's not blind. Everybody stand back. Let him find his way. He's smelling his way. Ollie, stay back. Stay back.
I hear him smelling.
Ow! Ah!
Come here, with me, Ollie.
No.
So cute and small. I've never seen a skunk up close.
Hear him?
Is that purring?
He's making sounds to see if he can hear his siblings and stuff make the same sounds. Oh, Hunter. He just stood right in front of the camera.
What? Right there. He's going
Is
under
there a
here.
hole there, Ryan?
No, the hole's over here.
Oliver.
Where is he?
Stop it.
He's about to find the hole. Oh, you were going the right way.
Where's the hole?
Under there.
Under there?
Oh, and move out of the way.
Do they have night
No,
vision?
stop.
Do they have night vision?
Here he comes.
Oh, stop.
Okay, guys.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Here we go. Here we go.
You turn around and put that one, please. You know, I might as well pick him up and put him there. No. He's right there.
He's going. All right.
He's trying hard. Oh,
There he goes. There he goes. Just stop shaking the leaves. He'll find his way. He's smelling. He knows where to go.
Oliver, stop.
Stop, Ollie.
Gracie. Right here, he's got a couple bites.
I know.
Right in your leg cap.
I know.
Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. That's where the hole is. There you go.
You know what?
There you
You
go.
know what?
His little
All
butt.
right.
You know what?
Bye. We'll
Peace
see you
out,
next time.
No. Yeah.
Little baby. So cute.
Not yet. Not yet.
Go in this little hole. You guys are all wet. Maybe you should go home.
That one over there is still chowing down.
Let's eat the strawberries. Let's eat the blueberries. Go, go.
Ollie, get back. Gracie, you got the other one coming over. Look, the other one came out. Oh my god.
Yum, tum.
Oh, this one's eating blueberries. Now they're all together. Well, except for that fifth one that's wandering around by itself.
Yum, tum. Yum, tum. Yum, tum.
It's not working no more.
Going on a train. Going on a track. Yep. Going on a track into their little hole. You gonna go in there too?